Hello, Year 9. I'm going to give you some help with the plant tissues and the leaf work. This was the information. Let's go straight to the questions. So question 1, what do stomata do? Okay, so it's here, stomata. These let gases diffuse into and out of the leaf. They are opened and closed in response to the environment. This is controlled by guard cells. Now that is a guard cell, and that is a guard cell, and the space in between them, that is a stoma, and lots of stoma together are called stomata. Okay, next question. What does xylem do? If we go back to the diagram, there we go, xylem and phloem. These bring water and nutrients to the leaf and take away glucose. So xylem is water, phloem is food or nutrients. Okay, next question. What does phloem do? Well, it's in the same place. Phloem brings nutrients to the leaf and takes away glucose produced by photosynthesis. So the water is in the xylem and the nutrients, the glucose, is in the phloem. So next question. Where is meristem tissue found? Okay, and we're in this part here, talking about the different tissues and organs in the plant. There it is, meristem tissue. This is found at the growing tips of shoots and roots. Okay, now meristem tissue is where the plant growth actually takes place, and that's the two main places you'll find it, the tips of shoots and roots. Okay, so that was meristem tissue. Next one, where does most photosynthesis happen? And the answer to that one is it's in the leaf. Okay, the leaf is where photosynthesis and gas exchange happens in a plant. Now, if you're going to be a bit cleverer about it, remember most plants have lots of green things. They have green stems, they have green supports for the leaves, and because they're green, that means that they do carry out photosynthesis as well. But most of the photosynthesis is happening in the leaf. Okay, next question. Which tissue contains air spaces? Back to the information. Now, the air spaces are here. This material here, spongy mesophyll, which is this layer here, it's got a lot of empty spaces in it. And the empty spaces, they actually connect up with each other. So it's like a cave system. So gas could actually diffuse in through here, and then pass through here, and then out through this stoma here. So this is like not a solid material. It's spongy with lots of spaces inside. And what those spaces are for is to let the gases come in through the stoma and drift up to this area where they can get to these cells. And these are the palisade cells. So something like carbon dioxide is trying to get to these cells up here. So the question was, which tissue has got the air spaces? It is spongy mesophyll. Okay, next question. Name 3 plant organs. Now, not too difficult this one. For example, stems, roots and leaves are all plant organs. Okay, they're built from tissues and they do a particular job. Next one. Which tissue is transparent? Now, on the top of the leaf, there is a layer up here, a layer called cuticle, and it's made of wax, but it's not a tissue, it's a material. The tissue that is transparent is this one, the upper epidermis, and that's this layer here, these flattened cells, and they are the outside skin of the leaf. Next question. How do gases enter the leaf? Now, if you want to, you can answer this with one word, and it's this one, diffuse. That's how they get into the leaf. They diffuse in. If you said that it's through the stomata, well, that will get you a mark as well. But the cleverest answer is diffusion. Gases diffuse into and out of the leaf. Okay, one more question to go. Which tissue covers the whole plant? And you have already been talking about that. And it is this one, epidermis. Okay, there's an upper epidermis and there's a lower epidermis. The tissue, the material that covers the whole plant, is the epidermal cells, epidermis. Email me if you have any problems with this.